This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today we're going to be making pecan caramel bars. We're going to need a cup of chopped pecans, 1¼ teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2½ tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, a cup of butter, 1⅓ cup of brown sugar, 16 whole graham crackers, and cooking spray and aluminum foil to line our pan. So let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to take our pecans, our chopped pecans, and we're going to spread them in one layer across the pan. I'm going to stick these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, just until they're lightly toasted. I'm going to line my pan with aluminum foil. And now I'm going to take my cooking spray and I'm going to spray it. I'm going to do this so my bars don't stick and they're easy to cut, take out, and serve. Okay, we're going to take this pan and set it aside. We're going to take our 16 graham crackers and set them on top of our pan. I like to cut mine out of the bag because I don't want to break them. I'm just taking them and I'm making rows. You might have to push them into the corners because of aluminum foil. Now for this open area, I've cut them into quarters. Now we're going to set this aside and work on our other ingredients. I've taken my pecans out of the oven and put them on a cooling rack. We're going to let these cool down while we work on our other ingredients. We're going to turn our burner on medium-high. And we're going to combine our sugar, our 1⅓ cup brown sugar, our 2½ tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and our cup of butter. We're going to heat this until all the sugar has dissolved. So it should be about 5 minutes total. It's important to stir constantly because you do not want to burn this. It already looks very tasty. Sticky, gooey, tasty, yummy. It looks good. This looks great. Okay, we're going to shut off our burner and we're going to add in our 1¼ teaspoons of vanilla. Let's stir that in. Now we're going to stir in our toasted pecans. Look at that. Oof, that looks so delicious. We're going to take our pecan topping and spread it across our graham crackers. Smells so good. So if your pecans, right now my pecans are all gathered in one area, so I'm just going to move them around. I should use my fingers. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way this looks. That looks fantastic. We're going to bake our pecan caramel bars for 10 to 11 minutes or until the caramel starts bubbling. I've taken my pecan caramel bars out of the oven and I'll let them set and cool for 30 minutes before I serve, but they smell wonderful. Look at this. Can't wait to have some. I've transferred my pecan caramel bars to a serving plate. These look delicious. This recipe is super easy to make and takes really 20 minutes to put together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.